Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuse for the sound amplifier is located. You actually may have up to 3 fuses, some are inside, some are outside. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, each one of them, and make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how to test these fuses as well. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan, guys, on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Life. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle, next to the hood where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover, and that's where the fuses are. So we showed you guys where exactly the fuse box is located inside. You will need that because 2 of the fuses are inside, okay, and 1 of the fuses is actually outside. So this is the fuse box. We took a picture so we can show with a great detail where all the fuses are located and point at each one of them, because practically I cannot show you with the camera where they're located. The fuse, guys, the first fuse that you need to check, actually it's known as a quark fuse, okay. I took a picture of the inside of the lid cover so you can see with a great detail, okay, what it says here. But this is a quark fuse, 10 fuse. So that's the second fuse. If you come 1, 2, second fuse right here, that 10 fuse, that's the one that we need. So check this one, guys. Now you have another one, okay, that's for the amplifier as well, and this fuse is known as an amp fuse, okay, right there. So if you come down, guys, okay, to the second row, and then you need to come to 2, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 30 amp fuse, guys, that 30 amp fuse is the one that you need to check. That's for the sound amplifier as well. But except those 2 fuses, okay, you have one more outside. And we'll, guys, always recommend to test the fuses, okay, before you think they're good and put them back in. Always test them or replace them. If you need to buy fuses for a good price or want to see how to test it in just a few seconds, we'll put a link to a video that explains that. So that's a fuse box that's in the engine compartment, guys. You have one tap here, one there, squish and pull straight up. Okay, and on the back side of the fuse box you can see the fuses will be printed, but what we did, actually we, guys, okay, printed it here so you can see with a great detail what we're talking about. Now the fuse, guys, that we need to check, it's a multi-fuse used for multiple things. So that fuse, 60 amp fuse, that's known as B+2 IP B+2, that fuse, that's the one that we need to check. And looking at it, it's that huge fuse, okay, right here, and it's the first component, the first 60 amp fuse, okay, right there. You can see through the glass it's good or bad. If you want to see how to test it or replace it, we have a video on the channel that explains how to do that. You will need to disconnect the car battery, and it really matters which terminal you disconnect, guys, because otherwise, okay, you can cause quite a bit of damage, okay, to the electrical system, computers, modules that could be really expensive to fix. And if you want to see which battery terminal you connect and disconnect first, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.